everybody, and welcome back. This is part two, where are my hands? Up here. Part two of this gorgeous design we're stitching out. Now, the machine just stopped and it just made its happy finishing noise, and it says right on it, sew the next part. Yes, I do. And we remember when we brought it in, it automatically split it into two parts. So let's hit OK. And it tells you what to do. Please set the positioning mark within the red line and press OK. Machine will move after pressing the OK key. So I am going to take one of my snowmen off here. Like, just taking my snowman off. Just one. Hey, thanks. Just one snowman. The small part of the snowman is the top, and so don't put it upside down. Don't put it that way. Put it this way, and that'll work. Now you can see on the screen here, you can see where it wants to be placed, and you don't have to be that precise, but you can see because it's a reference. And if you look too, when I put my finger on underneath the camera, let's see if I can show you this. It's a little bit awkward, sorry, I'm moving in the camera. That's real time. So it's not that hard to place, and you just place it. Look down a little bit. We'll just place it, looking at the monitor, placing it down. You see how close I got it there? Pretty good. Okay, let's look down. Now I'm just going to hit OK, and it's going to scan it and finalize it. You see how it's working? Positioning mark recognized. Please rotate the frame and press OK. Machine will move after pressing OK. So really walks you through it step by step. I also wanted to point out that one of my children noticed that my nails are basically the same color as the design we're doing. It's gold underneath with black lacy. So food for thought. I actually didn't do that on purpose, but cool anyways. Okay, so let's flip our big hoop, and you leave the sticker where it is, and you want to totally, and be very careful, you don't want to ruin anything at this point, and slide it in. And you remember when we did it the first time, it only goes part way. And what I want you to do at this point is make sure that these click in. Now remember, it's not going all the way, it's just going part way. These click in, these click in. Now I double check both of them, or I listen, and then your B is going to be upside down. Remember, we started it in the top right corner, now it's upside down. So then I'm going to tuck everything back to make sure we don't have any issues. I changed the bobbin once so far. So it says, positioning mark recognized, please rotate the frame, we're all solid, press OK. And what it's going to do, it's going to read it. So it's reading it, and we know it's upside down, and it's precision placing it. Please remove the positioning mark, then select next design. So let's remove our snowman. Super carefully, snowman's gone. Press OK on the machine, because that's what it said. And the second part is this one. That is the bottom of the tree and stitching that way. So yeah, correct. That is correct. You really have to look. So I did the first one first and the second one. You wouldn't want to mix that up, because I think you might make a mess of it, because you are, yeah, oh, pattern can't be used. Okay, so you can only select the second one. If you do it in the different order, it won't matter. It's not going to let you do it over again. That's good to know that you can't do it over again. That's why I tried. Okay, so we're going to do set. And we want to go back to edit, because if you remember, I changed the colors, and you're able to do all of this before you stitch. So all my colors to black, because that's how I want it. And if you look, now we can see this part. I think it looks fantastic like that. So edit end, just same as you would normally do. Sewing, please wait a while. Yeah, I'm prepared for that. Black, black, black. It's the right picture. Rock on. So how easy was that to split a hugely complicated design? I picked this one because I really like it. I really feel like the gold and the black today, but also because it was really complicated, and I like testing things to their fullest to see how it's going to look. And I want to see if there's going to be any differences down here and if you can tell. So let's let this guy stitch, and we'll come back for the next part and we'll check it out. So thanks everyone for watching. We'll be right back. I'm going to be a couple hours. You're going to be a minute. All right, thanks. All right, well, here is the finished design, and let's see if I can hold this up. Doesn't it look stunning? It's just amazing. So if you want to use the big 14 by 14 hoop, remember that it's not one big hoop. You have to separate it in two. And the best way to do it, the easiest, not necessarily the best, but the easiest and most efficient way of doing it is with PE Design 10, and I showed you exactly how to do it. So for big designs, this one was about 110,000 stitches, which is pretty amazing. It looks absolutely great. So thanks everyone for watching.